Children's Eye Health and Safety Month is recognized in August to raise awareness about children's vision and eye health, emphasizing the importance of early detection of vision problems and preventing eye injuries, especially as children head back to school. The Delaware Healthy Children program covers everything from routine checkups to eye exams to doctor and hospital services. Families covered by the Delaware Healthy Children program enjoy an extensive list of services for a single low monthly rate and no co-payments. Check the link in the video description for details.
The Division of Public Health's Child Health Clinics are here to help kids stay healthy all year long, and are now offering sports physicals by appointment in addition to their regular child health services. To find a location near you, check the screen or the video description.